So now we have to find the domain and range for the new function f of -1 of x. So the domain for f -1 of x would be x has to be greater than or equal to -3 and less than or equal to 3. So x has to be greater than or equal to -3, and x also has to be less than or equal to +3. Now the domain for x to the negative first, or f of x for the new function. So y has to be y has to be greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 5. So y is greater than or equal to -2 and y is less than or equal to 5. And so here we have the domain and range for the new function and the domain and range for the first function. And the relationship that you can see between the two is that when you find the inverse, or f to the negative first of x, the domain and ranges switch. So the range for f of x is y is greater than or equal to -3 and y is less than or equal to 3. And the domain for f to the negative first of x is greater than or equal to -3 and x is less than or equal to 3. And so the domain and range switch because we switched the points. So like it was -2 and -3, it now became -3 and -2, and that's why the domain and range switch when you inverse it.